Hey, Luke with Thunder Creek. I am really excited to get a chance to show you what we've been working on with the MTU platform for 2020. Over the last year of having this unit out on the market, we've got a lot of good voice of customer feedback, and we're incorporating all that in this new revision that we've come out with. The first thing that you're going to notice right away is the MTU 920 is now available on the Ram chassis. When we launched last year, we started with the Ford F550 platform, and now are excited to be evolving to the Ram 5500 platform. You're also going to see some new options for us. In the past, we didn't have a DEF option available. Now you'll see that we do. We've got 100 gallons of DEF, and it's a heated system. So for those of you in northern climates where DEF freezing is a risk, we got a really great solution for you. Also some improvements around the design and back in the pump box to just make the usability of this system much, much better. So let's walk around and show you some of the cool stuff. So the first thing we're going to look at is the new DEF module. This has been a big request for us since launching the MTU last year. We've got 100 gallons in capacity here. This unit's also equipped with a weights and measures meter. So if you're in an application where you're going to be selling fuel and DEF off this truck, we've got all the capabilities for metering here on the truck. We've got the DEF reel here up to 50 foot. And what has been most important in this configuration is that we can offer this with heat. It's a dual heating system. The entire tank and enclosure is wrapped in a heating blanket. When the truck is running and in operation, the heating system is going to be powered by the 12-volt system on the truck. When the truck is turned off, there's a 120-volt plug-in, just like a block heater that you can plug in that will maintain the heat in the box until the truck goes back into service. All right, so now we're here at the back of the truck, and this is where your operators are going to spend a lot of time. So back here, you see that the truck is equipped with a 100-foot by 1-inch hose reel. We can do 50-foot, 100-foot, or as much as 150-foot of 1-inch hose here out of the back of the truck. When we go up to 100 or 150 foot, we move to the motor rewind reel. So you've got your momentary switch here to stimulate the rewind, and you've got a speed control here so you can control how fast that reel is winding up. This truck here is set up with a weights and measures meter that has a ticket printer in it. There are some other options we can do, but again, if you're selling fuel or DEF off this truck, we can configure it with the proper metering technology to make sure you're meeting all the regulations for that. And then the truck's also set up with our electric manifold. It simplifies the operation, and it serves as a fail-safe. So just like on most vehicles you're used to, there's a switch connected to the door that operates the dome lights. We've also tied the manifold into that. So again, just kind of an insurance policy to make sure that anytime this truck's running up and down the highway, those valves are always closed. Okay, so here in the cab of the truck, there's a couple things we just want to highlight. First is that we've been able to integrate a backup camera on the back of the Upfit natively into the dash of this truck. So again, when you're in tight spaces or maybe urban environments, it's going to make it a lot more user-friendly to see what's behind you when you're moving in and out of parking lots or tighter areas. And we've done all that while staying true to what we know is important to you in this platform, and that is helping you to transport bulk quantities of diesel and DEF now without the need of a hazmat or a CDL.